Hey, girls.
Cheese. Hey, Cheese. Mom's on video. Doing a little video.
Where's your helmet, Mia?
You gotta get your helmet.
Hi, Mom.
Sophia, show me some of your scooter skills.
I did that.
All right.
Let's see some tricks.
And guess what else I can do? I can go up the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Come down
All right, let's see it. Nice. Nice scootering.
There you go. You got another worm. All right, put him in the garden. Coming out everywhere.
Don't need a hibernate, Mr. Worm. Bye.
All right, girls, say goodbye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Mia, can you blow me a kiss, Mia?